Hey guys, thank you so much for your love and support. Today I'm really happy, and it's something I always wanted to do, which is to upgrade my gears. And this is the first step towards my moto journey. I'm really excited, and let's do the unboxing. So here we are in the hills of Indurnak, and it's 5:47. So we have been trying to test these two gears, the gimbal and drone, for the past 2 days, but the weather has been so unkind to us. So I think today it's finally the perfect time, and I think we can almost see the sun rising now. So let's just test these two things. Before we end this video, I just want to show you one thing. This is called ND filter, neutral density filter, and it's very useful especially when you are outside shooting, because right now maybe you may see the background little too bright. So what it does is it acts like a sunglass to your lens. Let me just show you. So how about now? Any difference? We have just completed the testing, and we thought we would get some better view at the sunrise, but it looks like it's going to be a cloudy day. And with this note, I would like to end this video, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.